Hey everyone, Josh here from Fresh Start Customs, and today we're going to be building this shadow box here for one of my favorite YouTube channels. His channel is actually called Outdoors Weekly, and it's a magnet fishing video channel. So a little bit different than our channel here. Obviously, this is a laser engraving channel, make fun projects like that if you're new to the channel. So I'm gonna go ahead and mail this to him here. So if Bryce, if you're actually watching this beforehand, sorry it ruined the surprise. Just wanted to get this out here and show another fun project here. So we're gonna go ahead and go into the actual build here, and then after we go to the build, I'll go ahead and in detail explain things that I enjoyed with this project, things that could have went better, and then along the way, different processes there. So I don't want to bore you guys. Let's jump into the project and we'll see you there. Alright, there you guys go. As you can see, we got the entire project built. And as you could tell in the project there, this little guardrail, that's what this is here, is the guardrail that he usually throws his rope over top of. This one gave me a little bit of troubles because I made it tight fit, but I needed it to be loose enough that I could actually get it on there by hand versus a rubber tip hammer there. So, what I ended up doing, as you've seen in the video, it gave me some troubles. What I ended up doing is taking this back off, putting 2 drops of glue in there, and then putting it back on. So now it's nice and secure. So a few things that I would probably change next time I do something quite like this is I would probably put him and the roadway on the top, and then the motorcycle would be in the middle layer. That way it kind of gives that effect like it's underneath the bridge. So that's probably something I would change, but honestly, this was a really awesome project. I stepped outside of my comfort zone with this guardrail here. I know it doesn't look 100% like a guardrail, but I just came up with this design really quick because I didn't like it where it was just completely blank here and there's nothing in here. And I wanted to give it that 3D effect even more, so it was coming at you on both angles, no matter which way you look at it. And then the reason why I put the dude, it's a motorcycle, that was his intro for that video. So that's pretty nice. And then I chose to do the score lines here for the outlines on the outdoors, and then the weekly on the side. The reason why I went with that is I didn't want to do like a dark engraving like I did here with Outdoors Weekly to take away from the main centerpiece here. So that's why I went with a lighter effect there. Overall, this is a really cool project. It was really fun to make. The hardest part was definitely the motorcycle. What I had to do is we had to come up with a whole motorcycle, throw in some different lines that wasn't in there, and then I tried to add like an extra light in here, but it just wasn't working out right because it's not the exact type of bike that he found. So I got the closest one that I could get that I could make look really nice. I tried throwing that extra light in there, but it just wasn't working out, so I decided to scrap that idea. And then what I had to do is cut the image in half and make it look like it was sinking or being pulled out of the water here. And overall, I'm pretty happy with that. Let me go ahead and get a little bit closer here so you can see the actual motorcycle. I'll go ahead and throw some photos, some close-up photos at the end of the video here so you can see this better and see all the actual details. So I'm going to go ahead and mail this off to him. I really hope that he likes it. I was going to put a possible reaction from him in the intro or in the end here, but not sure if he's comfortable of doing that on his channel or even showing this on the channel. So I don't want to go ahead and do that. So if he ends up doing that and you end up following him, watch it there. If he does do that, that'd be cool. Otherwise, I hope you guys enjoyed the project. Definitely check out his channel. I would highly recommend it. Even if you have no association or never heard of magnet fishing, because I've never gone magnet fishing in my life. It's just a good time, and he's a good guy. So we'll catch you guys next time. I hope you enjoyed the project, and we'll see you then.